Flexible workflows. Let's analyze a typical flexible workflow. It is flexible because steps are added or subtracted depending on the restoration type. This is a workflow for a general dental practice. There are 3 steps. Step 1. We will scan the patient. Step 2. We will verify the digital impression to make sure it is complete. Step 3. We will send the digital impression to the lab. When the lab receives a case, they will download the digital impression. Then they will design a crown, a bridge, an implant, etc. After that, they will fabricate the artifact. And then they will send it to you. Creating a case. Log into your system and click on the intraoral scan icon. Input order number or accept the automatically generated one. Select from the list of doctors or create a new one. Input patient's code or accept the automatically generated one. Type the patient's name. Select from the list of technicians or assistants or create a new one. Type your notes for this case. For example, this crown shade will be A2 and the due date will be July 17th, 2 p.m. Select the tooth or teeth involved in this restoration. Select the restoration type. Select the implant type or no implant. Select the restoration material. Select if you will include a pre-op model. Then click on the antagonist tooth. And click on the antagonist option. This important information will be sent to the lab. Click Save and the system will allow you to start scanning. Scanning a crown and an antagonist tooth. Click on the Scan button. This is an explanation about how to scan properly. We will scan the lower jaw, then the upper jaw, then the bite, and then we'll be able to send the model to the lab. Let's start scanning. You will notice that the red square appears when the scanner is ready to scan. Make sure there is continuity when you are scanning. You may want to slow down when you are transitioning between the sides. Like this. You can also shake the wand twice to click OK without touching the computer, like this. Let's scan the upper jaw. You can enable AI optimization for more accurate scanning. Click here. If you need to scan a metal tooth, click here. You can go back to a previous position to acquire more data. This is called retracting. The scanner will recognize a previously scanned area and add missing data. Like this. Tooth number 19 has been prepped. We are going to scan that tooth and practice retracting. Now I'm jumping to an area that I scanned before. The system remembers and adds to it. I can stop and jump back and add to the other area. This feature is called retracting. Let's scan the upper jaw. Let's scan the bite. The model is ready. To send it to the lab, click here. All the information about the case will be submitted to the lab. Select a lab. Click Confirm and Upload. If you click on the Explore button, you will access all the files that were created for this case. Having a local copy allows you to integrate the patient's data into your office management software, submit the case at a later time, or send the case to any lab not in your list.